Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that DeAgentAI token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, DeAgentAI is a decentralized infrastructure project that provides a framework for creating, operating autonomous AI agents on blockchain networks with its AIA token serving as the native assets for ecosystem interactions purpose. It tackles core challenges in AI by providing a structure for trustless, verifiable, and continuous AI agents within distributed systems like blockchains technology. Its framework defines agents via a cognitive lobe, memory state, and tools, leveraging blockchain's consensus for identity and community ecosystem. The AIA token enable agents interaction, staking governance, and access to advanced features with utility reinforced through partnerships and ecosystem investments. The Agent AI project institution rating is 4.4. The Agent AI token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 188.95 million AIA token. AIA token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.